In this section, we are going to learn about a modern approach to Redux development, and that is the Redux Toolkit. The Redux Toolkit is developed by the Redux and React Redux team only, and it provides a more enhanced way to write the Redux code. Let me just open the official site for the Redux Toolkit. So here is the official site for the Redux Toolkit. Why we have to use Redux Toolkit in our application? For that, I'll just click on this Get Started option. Here, if you observe, it says that the Redux Toolkit package is intended to be a standard way to write the Redux logic. The important point here is that the Redux Toolkit was originally created to help address three common concerns about Redux. The first thing is configuring a Redux store is too complicated. Second, you have to add packages, lot of packages with Redux. And the third is Redux does require too much boilerplate code. With the help of Redux Toolkit, you really simplify the overall Redux configuration. For example, the combined reducers we used, that is not needed. Instead of that, we will have the state slices, or even the constants and the actions we defined. That also won't be needed because Redux Toolkit will provide you functions which are directly called when you dispatch those functions. As we move ahead, you will get the better idea. In short, I can just summarize that Redux Toolkit basically is a very modern and enhanced library which can make the Redux development very easy and more organized. We are going to use this Redux Toolkit in our existing application only. If you are creating a new application, then you can install the React Redux and the Redux Toolkit like this. So you will say npm install at redux.js/toolkit space React Redux. But in this application, we are going to just convert the Redux to Redux Toolkit. So we won't be installing React Redux, but yes, we do not need this Redux. So you will have to remove the Redux. So I'll say npm uninstall Redux. Now you see that Redux is uninstalled. Now let's install the Redux Toolkit. I'll say npm install at redux.js/toolkit. And you see that now it is installed in package.json. We see the entry. So now our application does have the Redux Toolkit installed. From next lecture, we are going to start implementing practically and will convert this particular code with Redux Toolkit. The question you can think of is, what is Redux Toolkit and why will you choose it? So Redux Toolkit is a newer approach, a modern approach for the Redux development. It is developed by the Redux team only, but there were various complications while using Redux, like configuring the store and having a lot of libraries. Also, you had combined reducers, so handling reducers and action types. All those coding patterns are made easier with Redux Toolkit. So that's the reason why one can choose Redux Toolkit over Redux.